The verbs do, did, and does are forms of the verb to do, and they are used in different tenses and contexts. Do used in present tense with I, you, we, they. Used for actions that are currently happening or general truths. Examples: I do my homework every day. Do you like pizza? We do our chores on weekends. Does used in present tense with he, she, it. Used for actions that are currently happening or general truths, but specifically with third-person singular subjects. Examples: he does his homework every day. Does she like pizza? It does what it's supposed to do. Did. Used in past tense with all subjects. Used for actions that have already happened. Examples: I did my homework yesterday. Did you see that movie? We did everything we could. It did not work as expected. Understanding these differences helps in constructing grammatically correct sentences in various tenses and contexts.